Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Well, today we are going to target something in the van which I've been trying to put off for quite some time. I didn't do this in my last van, but I am going to do it in this van. There's a reason why, we'll get onto that in just a minute. But we've paid an awful lot of attention to the back of the van. It's time to pay a bit of attention to the front cab. So I think I'm going to do the ceiling. And then if I've got carpet left over, I'm going to do these, because these are quite manky as well. So I'm going to do those as well in the carpet if I've got some left over. But for now, we've got to get this out, we've got to get that out, we've got to get this out without that falling down. Let's get to work. So first things first, I'm just going to start with some of these screws, if I can get them out. Well, that was easy. What I don't want is for this to just suddenly fall and bring that down with it. That is screwed into the ceiling, so it shouldn't move, but you never know your luck, do you, with these things? Right. So, let's not leave. Well, this is a good start, isn't it? This isn't coming out. Out you get. Don't lose it. Right, put them up there. Okay, that was fairly easy. Good start. So I think the rest of this is just on these like popper things just here. I think if we just pull. There we go. Yeah, they're just on these little popper things, so we should be able to pull the whole thing out. Maybe not. Why did that one come out so easy? Yeah, they just pull. Ready, three, just stop being a wimp and pull it. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. That ain't coming out. 3, 2, 1, pull! There we are. Oh, I'm not ever get them back in. Right. Please don't pull my ceiling down. Please don't pull the ceiling down. 3, 2, 1. Where did that go? Christ. Pull! And again. Oh, that one come out as well, did it? Oh, where's that? There it is. Oh, lost that one as well. Pull! There we are. Oh, lost that one as well. Oh, no, we haven't. We've got it. We're out. Right. Ain't going there. Right. Good start. Right, what do we need here? Allen key. One of them's quite rusty, so that suggests to me that's got damp at some point. That's why we've got mould. So, Allen key, or hex key, whatever you want to call them. We need to get that out as well. I might have to refer to YouTube. Right, let's clear this. Ew. Right. I need to go and get a bread knife. Yeah, back in a minute. Oh, right. So I've got some tools for the job. I've got my screw bits, bread knife, sledgehammer. Right. Let's get to work. So pull, wobble, wobble, wobble. Oh, maybe not. Oh, no, that's on a clip. So that comes off like that. Let's put that on the floor. That's one done. Right. Right, let's get this side done. One. Now, if I sit there in this video and I'm going dee 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 and telling myself, oh, that went easy, that went easy, I'm just reassuring myself that everything's going to be all right. I've not wanted to do this for quite some time. And like I say, that's the reason why I didn't insulate underneath it. So while this is down, I'm going to insulate it as well. And I'll tell you why in a little bit. Whoa, hello. Oh, someone's tried to get you off before, haven't they? And they failed. Oh. Bugger. It was going too easy, that's been rounded off. Someone's tried to get that off before. What am I going to do now? Try and get a bigger one in it. Let me see if that will hurt, if that will work. Try to force a bigger one in and try and get it done. Yes! Right, so unclip that, grab that, put it down, get the cap off, pull it, wiggle, wiggle, pull it, wiggle, wiggle. All right, there you go, right, and then that's done. This should come off. You should come off. You should come off now. Oh. One more bolt, Rick. Right, it should come off now. Oh. Where's the bread knife? I think I need to get in here, don't I? One. Is there clips for this? Yes, there is. Right. Whew, it's hot. Right. Oh, that's hot as well. The light's been on. Right. So let's unclip it. Is there a bolt in there? Yes, there is. Thought there would be. Right, so unclip that. Ow, that is hot because that interior light's been on. Bloody hell. Right, and then that one. Right. One more bolt. Now it should fall out. Why aren't you coming off? Why? Is it clip? Ready, 3, 2, 1? No. It's stuck here. Is there a clip? No. Hello? Coming off. Get out! More bolts. Would help, wouldn't it? Now it should come off. There we go. Oh. Oh. I don't think this is good. I don't think that's meant to look like that. Let me show you. She rusty. Oh, that's rusty. That's not a good sign. I have a really bad feeling when we take this down, we're going to be met with a load of rust on the roof that I'm going to have to clean off. In my Fiat Doblo, I didn't insulate this. And I vividly remember one time when I was down in Dorset, when I went down to Portland, if you saw that video, water started dripping out of the light switch and I started panicking. And I put my hand up behind it and I could feel water. And it's because of the condensation was hitting the bare metal under here and being soaked up by the liner. So I'm going to do it properly this time because I don't want that. And there's a nice interesting wire wherever you come from. So yeah, we're going to get it lined this time. And that's why I think we've got rust. Damn. Great success. It's down and it's not rusty. We've got a bit of rust here, which I don't like the look of. So I'm going to try and clean that up. But there's no holes and no rust on here. So it's all good. So let's get some insulation on there. So I'm going to get the headliner, take it indoors, and I'm going to start carpeting it, and then I'll get back to you when we are fitting it on there. I'm not going to show you me carpeting the headliner because I don't think there's any need. What I am thinking about doing is, do you remember the plastic thing that went across there, the shelf? I'm wondering whether if I've got any carpet left over, whether I should carpet that as well, or is that too much carpet? Find out in a minute. Here it is. Oh, and it's looking pretty bloody good, I've got to be honest with you. I really like the look of this. Now I've run out of carpet completely now, so I was going to do the shelf. I'm not going to be able to do that because I completely run out. So never mind, it's no big deal. I am just going to sort out a few wires because there's an old hands-free kit installed in here, so I'm just going to withdraw that and I'll be back. Okay, right, so here we go. So I am conscious as well that, I am conscious, this has been a very weird angled video, but it's the best way of explaining how I'm getting this bloody thing back up and back in. So what do you think of that? Looks nice, eh? Right. This might be a little bit difficult. Maybe not. Right. Right. I've chosen a really hot day to do something like this, haven't I? 31 degrees today, and I'm deciding to sit in the front of my cab, changing the headliner over. Right. Now, Jesus, I'm knackered. That clip's in there, I believe. That goes either side of that. It's okay, it just needed a shove and it's up on there now, so managed to get a bolt in and get that put into place. So we're just going to carry on with the rest of the bolts. I tell you what, right, when you upload a video to YouTube, there's a little section that says audience, I think it says, and then it says made for children, or no, this video is not made for children. I am telling you now, I don't think I've swore yet, but between the last clip and this clip, I'd have taught every single one of you some new words. Words you've never even heard before. Words I've never even heard before that I was making up. But anyway, I got this absolute... Oh, that went in easy. That's going to fall out. That can't go in there that easy. Well, it has. Okay. Well, it hasn't resulted into needing to use this yet. Yet. Emphasis on that word. But we just got to put this now back in the divider. And my thinks we will be done. Push that one in. There we go. That's all up nice and solid. Okay, all done. There we are, everybody. A nice new headliner in the van. That is a tidy job. If I do say so myself. Now it matches over there. Just a bit more comfortable, just brings it all through. Just got to sort that cabinet out, sort that out, curtain rail. And I'll just show you from here. Spin you around. It just continues all the way through. It's a slightly different colour because this is the ceiling. And it'll be in different light. So this part of the van's under the carport and this bit isn't. So, but just makes it look a little bit more comfortable. I'd like to have continued this all the way through. That would have looked bloody brilliant. Well, that's the end of the video. That's the carpeting done. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And if you did enjoy the video, why not consider subscribing, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I do a video. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, hype up the video. I'll be very, very grateful. Next video, not entirely sure what we're going to be getting up to, whether we might be going away in the van or whether it's going to be something electrical, which I really, really, really need to do to this van to take me off grid for longer than a couple of days. All will be revealed very soon. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.